All right, welcome back. So we're gonna jump into example number 3. We're asked to find the antiderivative, or in other words, the indefinite integral for this expression, this function. So we're gonna do that. So if you notice, this is a product of two functions, x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 2. And so far we don't have anything, any antiderivative rule for products. So that means that we have to think about outside the box. In other words, we gotta do some algebra. We gotta do some algebra to simplify this process, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna actually use the distribution property. In other words, we're gonna expand this, and this is just algebra, right? Expand distribution property. So x times x, x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x, and then 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 dx, and then x squared plus x minus 6 dx, right? So far, this was all algebra. We haven't taken the antiderivative, so therefore, these need to be there, right? These need to be there. We haven't done any antiderivative. All right, so in the next line, we're going to go ahead and now take the antiderivative because it's already set up, right? And we're going to do one term at a time. So let's look at the first term. Let's take the antiderivative for x squared. Well, for that case, we're going to use the power rule. So what do we do with the power rule? We add 1 and divide by the new power, right? Followed by plus, and then let's do the next term. There has an imaginary 1 there, so we're going to add 1 and then divide by the new power, right? The new power is 1 plus 1. Followed by minus 6, and then when you have a constant by itself, remember, you're just adding a product of x, right? A factor of x. And don't forget about the plus c. So this is very important, right? So this is what's being done, right? All that is being done in here. So then this is almost done. I mean, this is the actual antiderivative. Remember what I said in the last video, that the symbol should not be there of the integral, and the dx should not be here anymore, right? That's gone because you have applied the antiderivative rules, right? And that's also important, that once you start taking the antiderivative, you got to do it for every single term, right? Don't leave them halfway. Don't just do like one term and then you leave like these two like that, right? Like you don't take the antiderivative. That's not proper. Once you start the antiderivative, you gotta finish the antiderivative, because remember what this is saying. This is saying that this is the antiderivative of the original function, right? So let's go ahead and make the final conclusion here. This is x to the third over 3 plus x to the second over 2 minus 6x plus c. All right, so this is it. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Hope this is helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.